Don't forget FIDO. How to include pets in your emergency plan. In a disaster, every family member counts, and that includes the ones with 4 legs, fur, or feathers. If you had to evacuate in 10 minutes, would you be ready to keep your pet safe? Let's make sure you are. Emergency Pet Go Bag. Include 3 to 7 days of food, bottled water, collapsible bowls, waste bags, litter, leash, harness, and comfort items like a blanket or toy. Keep copies of vaccination records in a waterproof bag. Many shelters require proof of rabies shots before allowing pets. Safe transportation and carriers. Have carriers or crates labeled with your contact info for each pet. Practice getting your pet into their carrier or vehicle calmly so evacuation is less stressful. Shelter and boarding options. Identify pet-friendly hotels, boarding facilities, or friends, family who can temporarily house your pet. FEMA lists pet-friendly shelters during disasters, but spots are limited. Have backups. ID and microchipping. Ensure your pet's collar tag has up-to-date info. Microchipping dramatically increases the chance of reunion if pets get lost, even if collars slip off. Training for emergencies. Teach basic recall and crate training. Practice loading your pet in the car quickly during drills. Special considerations. For birds, reptiles, or fish, plan for temperature control and secure transport. For livestock, have a relocation and feed plan ready before a storm or fire. Your pets trust you with their lives. Don't let an emergency catch you off guard. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with other pet owners, and subscribe for more family safety tips. Your preparedness could save a life, theirs or yours. Friendly reminder. Every family, pets included, has unique needs. Use these tips as a starting point, and always follow the advice of your vet and local emergency officials when making your plan. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep those tails wagging.